In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off email notifications in Wrike. If you're like many people who find themselves overwhelmed with emails every day, reducing the number of notifications can significantly declutter your inbox. Let's dive right into the process. To begin, you'll need to open up your preferred web browser. In the search bar, type in Wrike and press Enter. Wrike will be one of the top search results, usually featuring its official website. Go ahead and click on it to open the Wrike homepage. Once you're on the homepage, look towards the upper right corner of the screen. You'll see an option to either log in or, if you don't already have an account, you might see Try Wrike for free. If you already have access to Wrike, log in with your credentials to access your workspace. After successfully logging in, direct your attention again to the upper right corner of the Wrike workspace. There, you'll see your profile image or name. Give it a click, and a drop-down menu should appear. From the options provided, you'll need to select either Settings or Profile Settings. This is where you can manage your notification preferences as well as other personal settings. Once you're in the Settings section, start scrolling down through the various sections you see. You'll encounter areas labeled Task, Project, and Folder Updates. Here, you'll see a list of different update types for which you might currently receive email notifications. Carefully uncheck the boxes next to any update types for which you no longer wish to receive emails. This ensures you only get alerts that are truly important to you. Next, you'll want to look out for product reminders. Within this section, you'll find an option to disable notifications from the Wrikebot, especially for tasks that are completed or are upcoming. Simply uncheck the box to reduce unnecessary reminders. As you scroll through the settings, you'll also encounter regular notifications. This area includes options for scheduling or completely disabling your email notifications. You can adjust times for your daily digest, or stop receiving daily to-do lists and daily digests altogether. Once you've tailored all your preferences, don't forget the crucial final step, saving your changes. You should find a Save Changes button at the bottom of the page or section you are editing. Click on it to ensure all your newly defined settings are applied. And there you have it. Those are the steps involved in turning off email notifications in Wrike. By following these directions, you can enjoy a more focused workspace and a tidier email inbox. Thanks for watching, and make sure to check out other videos for more helpful tips.